Hey there, folks. If you've ever found yourself with money in your Cash App account and need to get it over to Venmo, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to transfer money from Cash App to Venmo. This process isn't a direct transfer, but it's straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Cash App and Venmo apps installed on your phone, and that your accounts are linked to a bank account or debit card. This is crucial because we'll be using your bank as a middleman. Why? Well, Cash App and Venmo don't connect directly, so we'll cash out from one and add funds to the other. Step 1. Open your Cash App and navigate to your balance. You'll see an option to cash out. Tap that, enter the amount you want to transfer, and choose your linked bank account as the destination. It might take a few minutes to a couple of days for the money to hit your bank, depending on your bank's processing time. Keep an eye on any fees. Cash App might charge a small one for instant transfers. Once the funds are in your bank account, it's time for step 2. Open the Venmo app. Go to your Venmo wallet or balance section and look for the Add Money or Transfer In option. Link your bank account if you haven't already, then select it as the source and enter the amount you want to add. Hit Confirm, and voila! The money should appear in your Venmo balance shortly. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always double-check the amounts to avoid mistakes, and be aware of any transfer limits or fees from both apps. If you're in a rush, opt for instant transfers, but remember they cost a bit extra. And hey, if you run into any issues, both apps have great customer support. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Cash App to Venmo. It's all about that bank intermediary, but it's pretty painless. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money management tips. What's your go-to app for payments? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.